common feature of a lot of phone systems is the ability to set an account code against a call. There may be a few reasons why you set up account codes. One might be that you want to bill your customers for the time you spent talking on the phone to them. Or two, you want to track what's happening inside of your phone calls. So, for example, if you've made a sale, you may want to tag that call as a sale so that when you're looking back through your call recordings, you can have a look and say, I just want to have a look at the sales that I've made today and the call recordings for those, and you can search for those. Or you may want to flag a call as a dispute, so you can review your phone calls and look at the calls that you've had a dispute on, and then seek to review those calls with perhaps a supervisor or a manager to seek the best resolution to the customer dispute. Or you may have a wallboard that you want to have your competitive sales team to display the number of sales that they've made today. So every time that they make a sale or generate a new inquiry or get a lead, they can hit the account code button on their phone, and then a statistic on a wallboard will increase by 1. So there are a number of reasons to use account codes, and they're quite easy to set up as well. So to set up account codes, connect into your Mitel 5000 phone system and expand System, and then you'll want to expand phone related information, and you can see at the top here you've got account codes, and we want to create some standard account codes. Forced account codes will prevent a call being made from a phone without the account code being entered. You might want this in a call centre where every phone call out needs to be tagged to a client to get billed. So the requirement here would be that we have a forced account code, and each of our clients has their own account code, and then when we make that phone call we enter their account code first, and then the call is tagged with that account code so we can bill it later on. Under this though, we just want to use a standard account code that we can tag during a call. So we'll just you can see that there is already an account code there, so let's call the account code 300. Okay, so 300 doesn't actually mean anything to us, but what we can say is where we see a call that's got 300, then that means it's a sale, and we could create another one and we'll call it 301. We'll just put starting ID 2, that's okay, but we'll give it the account code of 301, and we know that that means dispute, although you don't actually define the meanings of them anywhere in the system. You just need to be aware that calls tagged with 300 are whatever you decide that they should be. Once you've created your account code, if we just scroll up we can see the feature key. If we just go to devices and feature codes and then feature codes, and you can see that 390 will allow us to input the account code. So if we're on a call and we dial feature 390, or we have an account code button programmed on the phone, it will then ask us what account code we'd like to assign. So if we then entered 300, the phone will display a message saying account code accepted, and then whenever we look in the Mitel Customer Service Manager reports or inside of a third-party reporting product such as Oak, then you should see that the call has been tagged with an account code and being able just to search for those specific calls. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on Mitel 5000 account codes. However, if you have any further queries or would like a free demo, then please do not hesitate to get in touch with us.